Hello students, in this video we are going to study a new chapter, that is hydrocarbon, and in the hydrocarbon we revise some properties or some points from basic principles of organic compounds. Okay, so what is a hydrocarbon? So here hydro means hydrogen and carbon means carbon. Okay, so the hydrocarbons mean organic compound containing hydrogen and carbon compounds, carbon elements called as hydrocarbons. Okay, means compound containing carbon and hydrogen called as hydrocarbons. So here hydrocarbon, classification of hydrocarbon. Yes, same in the class basic principles of organic chemistry, that is classification of hydrocarbon. First, that is saturated hydrocarbons. First one, that is classification open chain and closed chain hydrocarbons. Okay, open chain hydrocarbons and closed chain hydrocarbon. First one, that is open chain hydrocarbon means hydrocarbons having the straight chain or open chain in this way. Here there are the two ends, open chain because there are the two ends and they are called as the open chain hydrocarbon. And closed chain hydrocarbons, they are also called as the cyclic hydrocarbons in this way. Okay, these are the cycle, means they have the ring like structure and they are called as a closed chain hydrocarbons. Then open chain hydrocarbons, they are classified into, here first is saturated hydrocarbon and second one, that is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond, means all four valencies of carbon get satisfied by the single covalent bond called as saturated hydrocarbon. And unsaturated hydrocarbons means containing either carbon-carbon double bond or a carbon-carbon triple bond called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Here unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkene and alkyne, containing double bond alkene ALKENE and alkyne, that is C triple bond C. And these saturated hydrocarbons, they are alkanes. Okay. Again, here saturated hydrocarbons, they are again subdivided into straight chain hydrocarbon and branched chain hydrocarbon. Okay. And on the basis of that, they form the isomers also. So straight chain hydrocarbon and branched chain hydrocarbon. Then again here unsaturated hydrocarbons classified into here straight chain hydrocarbon and branched chain hydrocarbon. Okay, straight chain hydrocarbons and branched chain hydrocarbons. Then here closed or cyclic hydrocarbons. They are again saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. Saturated containing single ring and that ring, it is the carbon-carbon bonded to each other by the single covalent bond. They are called as the saturated hydrocarbon. For example, cyclohexane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane and so on. And unsaturated hydrocarbons means in the ring there is a one or more double bond is present or triple bond is present called as multiple bond is present called as unsaturated closed chain hydrocarbon. Again unsaturated hydrocarbons, cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbon classified into two types. First one, that is the aromatic and second one non-aromatic. You know that what is aromatic and non-aromatic. And non-aromatic containing the that is cyclic structure but having the property just like aliphatic. And aromatic, they have the unusual properties. Okay, this is the classification of hydrocarbon. After classification of hydrocarbon, then isomerism. Here isomerism also studied in the last video, that is last chapter, basic principle in organic chemistry. But I revised here. What is isomerism? Isomerism means it is the phenomenon to form the isomers. Okay, and because of the catenation property of carbon, here to form the branch structure or different type of structure having the same molecular formula, and they are called as the isomers of each other, means same molecular formula but different structural arrangement called as isomers, and the phenomenon is called as isomerism. So first we consider here the molecular formula, that is C5H12. Okay, this is the pentane. Now the isomers of pentane are here CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Now the numbers of carbon atoms are 5 and numbers of hydrogen atoms are 12. Yes, and this is called as N-pentane. Okay. Next one, that is CH3, CCH3. Here H, here CH2 and CH3. Again having the same molecular formula but branch into chain structure, and this is called as a isopentane. Okay. Next one, that is CH3, CCH3. Again here CH3 and CH3. Okay. And this is called as neopentane. So here observe this three. They have the same molecular formula like C5H12, but possess the different structural arrangement of carbon-carbon, and they are called as isomers of this pentane. Okay, and due to position, due to their chain, due to the arrangement of carbon, there are the different types of isomerisms or different types of isomers are formed, which we will study in the last chapter, that is basic principle in organic chemistry. Next one, that is IUPAC name. So in this video we will study the bond line also. Okay, so in the last video, chapter, we studied the bond line. So here some alkanes are there in the bond line structure, and then we studied the IUPAC name of that. Okay, revise the IUPAC name. Here CH3 single bond CH3. This is, yes, this is ethane. Then this is CH3 CH2 CH3. Yes, propane. Then CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. This is butane. Then CH3 CH3 H CH3. This is isobutane. Then here CH3 C CH3 CH3 CH3. This is neopentane. Okay. Then the IUPAC name of this, here this is ethane as it is. Okay. This is propane. Okay. But here from this, apply the IUPAC rule. Here 1, 2, 3 longest chain. Then the local number 1, 2. From 2 carbon atom there is a methyl group. So this is 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. Next one here 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay. Next one, that is other organic compounds or other hydrocarbons. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentane. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1. Okay. So the locant is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the 3 position there is a methyl. So this is 3-methyl pentane. 3-methyl pentane. Then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 3 there are 2 methyl groups. So 2 dimethyl pentane. 2 dimethyl pentane. Okay. So here revise the some points, that is first point, what is hydrocarbon, then classification of hydrocarbon, then next one, that is yes, isomerism and IUPAC name. So after watching this video, attempt the following question. 1. What are hydrocarbons? What are hydrocarbons? Second, what is saturated hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon. Explain with example. Explain with example. Third one, what is unsaturated hydrocarbons? Again, explain with example. Example. Fourth, draw different isomers structures of compound having molecular formula C6H14, then C7H16 and C4H10. Okay. Then fifth one, give IUPAC name of the compound, following compound. 1. 2. 3.